I could bet all of the riches that I ever had.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Barbie. Today I have a surprise unboxing for you. First, I want to tell you a little story. I went to Louis because I really had my heart set on a Speedy. But when I got there, I realized that the Speedy just didn't really fit my body the way I wanted. Of course, it didn't lay flat against me because Speedies are kind of shaped more like duffel bags. And then of course there was also the issue of would it keep its shape, and if I wanted it to keep its shape, what kind of workarounds would I have to do? I just really didn't feel like dealing with that. And then I found this bag that I ended up falling in love with, and it's not the kind of bag I would ever think in a million years that I would really gravitate to, but once I put it on, I fell in love and I had to have it. And it was actually a little bit more than I wanted to spend. I had a budget in mind. I wanted to try to stay under like 15, but this one went a little bit more than that. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into it. I will, of course, as always, show you the receipt first and then we will unbox it. So, there you go. I'll move this so you can see my fish tank. And I'm gonna go ahead and move this camera down just a little bit. I'm gonna move it a little bit like this so you guys can see what is going on here. Okay, so this is the box, and in here is the receipt. Okay, so I'm gonna cover this part up because this kind of spoils what bag I got, but I don't know if you can see that. It was $19.20 originally, and then with tax, which was $158, it ended up being $20.78 for this. So it was quite a bit more than I wanted to spend, but when I really fall in love with something that just fits my body perfectly, sometimes I feel like it's worth it to spend a little bit more if you know you're gonna be using it every day. And that was the main purpose of this bag. I wanted something understated that I could wear with almost any outfit. Even if I want to go out in sweats, I wanted something that would go with that and that wouldn't be too flashy or draw too much attention, you know, because I feel like that's why I have my Propriano and that's why I have my Felici and Vernis. Anyway, let's go ahead and undo this. Okay. Hope you can see that all right. I'm gonna go ahead and move this bag down to the door. Okay. Ta-da! And I think I got rid of some of the boxes and dust bags with my other pieces I've gotten, but I've definitely learned my lesson, especially with my Damier Azur print. I really regret getting rid of the dust bag, so this one I will not get rid of the dust bag and I will keep it. So anyway. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Here we go. Okay, so here is the bag. I love everything about it. One of the problems with the Speedy is that I was afraid it wouldn't hold its shape. Well, this will definitely hold its shape. I love that it's all black. Black is one of my favorite colors or shades, however you want to describe it. But I do love all black, and I love it because I can wear it with anything. It will go with anything. Something else I really loved about this bag is that it comes with a really long strap, which I will show you in a second. But as you can see, it has two little tassels, which I wasn't sure how I felt about at first. But once I tried it on, I love the bag so much that I didn't even really mind the tassels that much. On the bottom, it says Louis Vuitton. It's printed right there. And this is the back. Okay, and as you can see, it has a little top handle here, but we're not going to carry it that way. No, no, no. We're going to carry it this way. And I want to show you this, and this is one of the main reasons I got this purse. Because when I was looking at Speedies, I was looking at the Speedy Bandoulière because I wanted something I could carry crossbody, and look how long the strap is. Look at that. And it's also, there you go, it's also adjustable. So depending on your height or where you want it to lay, you can adjust it up or down. It's a very long strap. So, and I'm gonna show you the inside as best as I can. It is all black, so it might be really hard to see, but it comes with, I'll show you what it comes with. It comes with this. These are like the care instructions. And here it says the Saintonge in black. Nora has black in French, obviously. Yeah, so those are the instructions there. And says Saintonge again, and it says the price again, $1,900 basically, US dollars. Okay, let's see if you guys can see anything in there. You can kind of see. So as you can see, there's like one little pocket here, but there are no other pockets. It's basically one big open space with one pocket right here. This is what the zipper looks like. And you know, I also thought, even though it's kind of an older bag, I kind of was into the Alma, but then when I saw the Alma in person, I didn't realize that the zipper on the Alma goes all the way down. You have to zip it all around and go back all the way down. Sometimes when you want to access like your money or something in your bag easily, that's just kind of a pain. So that I ended up realizing that that really wasn't the bag for me, and that's another reason why I like the Saintonge so much. I will insert some pictures of how you can wear the Saintonge or what it looks like when you're wearing it crossbody style. And next, what I'm going to do for you is we are going to measure this bag so you can kind of get an idea of how big it is. It's really not that big. So there you go. It's about 8 inches wide. And I would say about 3 inches deep. And then for the height, it's about 6 inches. So it's not the biggest bag. And that's another reason why I like it, because it'll stay out of the way. It's not going to be big and clunky, and it's easy to get into for whatever you need. Not as easy as a tote, but you know, totes are bigger and they are kind of clunky. You can't wear them with everything. This you can use for everything, any occasion at all. And now that I've done an unboxing, and I have been waiting to do this unboxing because every day it sat here, I couldn't wear it out and about, and that really just ate at my heart. I really wanted to wear it so bad. So now that I've officially done an unboxing on my channel, I can start wearing this baby and I'm gonna be in heaven. I'm very happy with my choice, and I hope that this helped all of you out there with your decision in buying a luxury handbag. Please like, share, and comment, and I will catch you all in my next video. Goodbye, everyone.